Inside the Kardashians' massive real estate empire. The Kardashians are not just reality TV stars, they are also savvy real estate investors. Let's explore their incredible property portfolio. Kris Jenner, the matriarch, owns a stunning mansion in Hidden Hills. This luxurious home serves as the family's primary base. Kim Kardashian and Kanye West's former home in Hidden Hills is a modern architectural marvel. It features minimalist design and expansive spaces. Kourtney Kardashian's Calabasas home exudes Mediterranean charm. The property is known for its lush gardens and cozy interiors. Khloe Kardashian's mansion in Calabasas boasts an elegant mix of contemporary and farmhouse styles. It's perfect for entertaining guests. Kendall Jenner has an impressive property in Beverly Hills. Her home is chic and stylish, much like her fashion sense. Kylie Jenner owns multiple properties, including a lavish estate in Holmby Hills. Her residences are the epitome of luxury and opulence. Rob Kardashian keeps a lower profile but owns a comfortable home in Calabasas. It provides a peaceful retreat from the limelight. The Kardashian real estate empire isn't limited to California. They have investment properties across the US. With their eye for prime locations and luxury amenities, the Kardashians have built a formidable real estate portfolio. Their properties are often showcased on their social media, giving fans a glimpse into their glamorous lives. Investing in real estate has helped the Kardashians diversify their wealth and secure their financial future. Their real estate empire is a testament to their business acumen and luxurious lifestyle. The Kardashians continue to reign supreme in both entertainment and real estate.